Hi, today we're going to be making a leftover Mexican turkey casserole. So let's get started. Time to cook our onions and minced garlic in butter. So first, put in butter. So let's add our onion to the butter. Give it a little stir. Now it's time to add our turkey. Let's mix that in. Now add some Uncle Hunter's fajita/taco seasoning. Now add cream of mushroom soup. Now time to add some Doritos to the casserole dish. Now mash them down slightly. Time to add the turkey into the casserole dish. Now it's time to add some cheese whiz to it. Now add a second layer of Doritos. Now add a bit more cheese whiz on the top. Now time to add the Mexican turkey casserole into the oven for 350 degrees until the cheese whiz starts to brown. Sorry about that, my mic cut off. Anyway, I find it delicious. It's like an explosion of flavors. Super good. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!